This is the aeroplane which we are going to Bombay. Kuli, see an aeroplane na? Aeroplane. Our aeroplane is come. Kuli,
My aeroplane.
let's go.
This is my aeroplane.
Let's go. Small aeroplane. Small aeroplane is come. Reload, reload. So close, it is coming and landing for us. Dhruva. Any moment, take off. Putti. Putti.
We wish to share that all our aircraft are now equipped with an in-flight safety instruction card and braille. Should you need one, our cabin crew will be happy to offer a copy. Thank you.
Arrived at Bombay, Dhruva. Arrived in Bombay for a day trip. That's our flight. ಏನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತದೆ ಹೇರ್ ಹೋಸ್ಟೆಸ್ ಹತ್ರ ಏನು ಅವನೇನು ಫ್ಲೈಟ್ ಅವನು ಏನಂತ Arrived in Bombay Airport, Mumbai. We are at Parla East. One of Priyanka's friend has got us to this restaurant. There's a Maharashtrian thali is amazing here. So we are getting it. We actually tasted. This is where everybody is sitting. So we have come to a restaurant where Priyanka's friend is bought. So they've got a live. This one is
This is lobster, this is crab.
crab. I know. What Dhruva? Which fish is this? Okay. Hey Dhruva, no Dhruva. Hey Dhruva, please. No baby. Dhruva already experienced. फिर भी कर रहा है. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕಚ್ಚಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆಯಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಯಾಕೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇರು ಬೇಡ ಬೇಡ ಬಿಡಿ ಬಾ ಧ್ರುವ ಏಯ್ we are driving down to Narimal Point. Everybody has become cat here.
अरे अभी फ्लाईओवर की सीधा नीचे से
नीचे 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 This is supposed to be some iconic place. A lot of shootings have been taken here. So I wanted to show this. Priyanka's friend has brought us to a lunch in another place. We wanted to eat egg burji and pav. That's a bit famous. And this place is nice. It seems Bade Miyan. So we're going in now to try. We're in VT. This vehicle we have come in. It's her vehicle. She's the one who got us. Supposed really? This is Bade Miyan ka some of the history. It's the best sheikh get in the city. This is mutton sheikh, what we ordered, and a chicken sheikh with some masala. Let's try. So ordered egg curry, which is amazing. Chicken, rumali roti. Priyanka's son's Arshvardhan is full with my baby. Putti, Anna jotene irtiya? We are in VT. after super lunch at Badamia. Priyanka. हाँ पोर्ट का बॉर्डर, मुंबई पोर्ट बॉर्डर बे बाय शॉट. हाँ हाँ. We are at Marine Drive. That's the Oberoi Hotel and other couple of hotels. So I want to see this and show this to my family. Come. Dhruva. Come putty, come. Dhruva. Come. ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡು, ಗಾಡಿಗಳು ತೊಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಥರ ಡ್ರೈವ್. ಏಯ್ ಸುವರ್, ಏನೇನೋ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ, ಕಚ್ಕಿಚ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ. ಬಾ. ಅವಳನ್ನ ಎತ್ಕೊಮ್ಮ. ನೋಡು ಮಗಳೇ, ಫಿಶ್ and all is there, fish. This is a lot of shooting happens now.
Yeah.
That place.
I have one pic of yours in like this.
Ah.
You can see it, no?
That iconic place, lot of shooting and all happens now. That's the place. दिखाओ कौन सा iconic जगह.
ये देखो, अगर ये खोलोगे ना इधर आप जा सकते
There, a lot of shootings have been done, Munabai, and lot of that iconic place, no? That they walk. Nah, they were leaving before.
We have one pic of this. Which is big enough?
Dhruva, come back.
आजा नीचे उतर रहा है.
Mumbai. We are at Mumbai Oberoi. So this is the view. Dhruva wanted to know about this. Go, say hi. Your dress and that is matching. Go. Please. You have to ask ma'am, how do I do, madam? Oh, what, Dhruva, you're playing? Two hands, Dhruva. Two hands. Two hands. Both the hands. What, Dhruva? Is at Oberoi playing piano. We're on 11th floor, sea view. We are at Oberoi, Bombay. This is the view from our room. So our babies are enjoying like this. Hello, what are you doing? What are you doing? Hello. Hing maad glass. Hi. ನೀ ನೋಡಿ ಡೋರ್ ನೋಡಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡೋ. ಧ್ರುವ ನೀನು ಎದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು, ಪ್ರಿಯಾಂಕಾ ಅವನು ಎದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೊಡಿಯೋಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಡೋರ್. ಇದು ಅವಳು ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಹೇಳು. ಕುಳಿ ಓಹೋ ಓಹೋ ಮಾಡ. It's like this. It's in. ಓಯ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರ. ಕುಲಿಯೇ ಸಾಕು ಬಾರಣ ಆಡಿದ್ದು. ಕಮ್ಮನ ಓ ಕಮ್ಮನ. ಹಲೋ ಕುಲಿ. ಹಾಯ್ ಕುಲಿ. ಬಾರೋ. When you come out of the room, this is how the overall it looks. Dhruva is gone to show that lady the room. Alle, Dhruva. This is the view from 11th floor of the cafe and the reception, and that's our room. So, well, that time I was noticing Dhruva was standing here for something. This is the reception lobby. So I was wondering why is he standing. Then I get to know now what he has done. There's a scribbling pad they have kept, so he's done this. Barde anili? Neene barda ali? Hedu. Putti. Oh, hey bida, hey, neen bido. Ora ikade. Putti. Cat. Baro, come Putti, let's go. Baro, Putti. Meow. Come. This vehicle will go. Come Dhruva. Madam, ನೀವು ಮುಂದೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
We will go back side where the actual gate.
Actual gate is there. Gateway of India.
This is the first hotel in Asia which has the electricity.
To see this shop name, Ravi's.
చూడడా ఆ క్యాట్ ఎత్తుకొని వస్తాం ముందు వైట్ క్యాట్ ఎత్తుకొని వస్తామా.
Showed you guys, I think so, from little far. Now we can see. This is what I was been telling. Impressive. The name of the shop. Pola. Yes sir. Bye sir. Bye. Enna sir anta hotel pati edo soninga.
This is the terrorist attack pannanga.
That one, correct. That hotel which has a blast.
In the street dana chundinga.
Correct, in the street da.
Anga da first Taj ku poradhukku munnadi
inga blast aayi adu correct. But I did not know proper exact adu. Enna road sir idu?
Idu Kulaba Causeway. Kulaba Causeway.
Kulaba. Enna soninga idu?
Idu Western Railway kulla head office.
Western Railway head office in Bombay. In the night they are made with a lot of lighting. It looks very nice.
India varla sir.
Point. Narimal road, I know.
Nariman Point.
Narimal Point Road. ಹೋಗು ಆ ಕಡೆ. My babies like the singing. Clap, 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 clap. Clap, Putti.
So give me a kiss before you leave me, and my imagination will be my hungry heart. A kiss to know the dream when I'm alone with my friends. I'll be with you, weaving romances and making believe it's true. Your lips were just a
ಕಮ್ ನೀನು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇರು. ಸೇ ಬಾಯ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. After that lady finishing the song, both the kids went to sing. ಹಾಡು ಮಗಳ ನೀನೆ ಹಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡ. ಬಂದರು. No. Say sorry. ಹೇಳು. I know what he's telling something to you, madam. ಹೇಳು. ಏಯ್ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಹೇಳು, ಬಾಯ್ ತೆಗ್ದಿ. Usually you serve it like this only, you get it in the hot.
Yes.
See, they get it the hot. How do you pronounce this name? Chicken gyoza. Gyoza.
Yes.
Chicken gyoza, and which is veg?
This one is chicken, this one is veg.
This
The
one
yellow
is veg,
is-
this
yes,
one is
The
chicken.
yellow one is chicken.
This one is chicken, this one is veg. This one is veg, this one chicken.
Yes.
Okay, done. French fries, and what else you bought, madam? Check, no problem. Pooty, again, ma'am has bought something, madam has bought something for you. Chi. Where are you from, madam?
I'm from Mizoram.
Okay, you know what is Chi means? Chi, in my language, Chi means chicken. So my baby is coming. I told her Chi. She wants Chi. She wants chicken. Oh, itkol makuna. Chi she want na. Kuli, you want Chi? Chi, potato wedges. ಓಹೋ ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್. ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಮಗಳೇ. ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಒಂದು ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಪೀಸು, ಇದೊಂದು ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಐ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಡ್ ಅ ಸಿಗರೇಟ್ ಇನ್ Oberoi. The best part what I like, they got a cigarette, they got matchbox, they got also Polo mouth freshener. Nice. Oh, this is the view from our room. See Pootia? Oh. What is that, Pootie? Beach. See the view. Oh. What, Dhruva? This is the view. Partial bay view. This is how the hotel view. It's a beach view. These guys got this cat at Oberoi, where we are staying. You go with her. Even this also they keep playing because of this kind of a door. Cat. ಬಿಡ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರೋ ನಿಮಿಷ ನೀನು. Our car is come. Let's go. Come. See the car is come, Putti. Let's go. Come. ಅವ್ನು ಕಷ್ಟನೇ ಹಬ್ಬ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಬಾ. ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡು. Sunday morning on Marine Drive. So I see a lot of activities happening. It's like our Kabul Park. See, a lot of different activity happening. Huge crowd. Dance, singing. Every group has a different thing. See this? Papa. It will be burnt. We are on the way to our breakfast. The time is around 8:50. We're going to a place called Vinay's Healthy Food. Healthy Home. It's located in
Cherny Road.
Cherny Road we are going. So it seems to be authentic, local breakfast. So, and our very good friend Mr. Sethu is taking us. Hi, Suradanga Sethu.
Hello.
Hi. Mr. Sethu has been very helpful. So he's taking us there now. I'll show you guys when I go there. Real Mumbai, if you had to know, you need to travel in a local train, which we did not do. So that's a best way to explore the real Mumbai. You can see a lot of only apartments, because it's a apartment city. A lot of new road works are going on. Healthy food. This is what our Setu has bought us. So this is how it will look like. Our breakfast, masal pav and some aulakki. Let's try. We ordered sabudana vada also here. We ordered aloo boda. Very nice. Other than aloo, he has got something new for me. Let me try. This is a different one. Let me try. These are houses. Every house has a AC. Priyanka is surprised that can't believe these are individual house. Like maybe a kind of small apartment. Our vehicle is coming in. Pola, get in.
ஒரு தலை மாதிரி பீச் வந்து ரெண்டு கண்ணு மாதிரி தெரியும்.
அப்படியே
ஓவல்குள்ள ஷேப் ஸ்பேஸ்ல இருந்து தெரியும்.
அப்படியே ஓவல் வியூ பார்க்கா?
ஓவல் கிரவுண்ட்னு சொல்லுவாங்க.
Oval ground. Another thing is, in Bombay you don't see such big ground. I think hardly 1, 2. This is one among them. So you don't have grounds. Lucky enough to have so many grounds at Bangalore. We have come to Bombay's fish market. ಮುಟ್ಬೇಡ ಧ್ರುವ, ಮುಟ್ಟಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನೋಡೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಮುಟ್ಟಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಧ್ರುವ, ಮುಟ್ಬೇಡ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ರೋ. ಬಾ ಇಲ್ಲೋಡು, ಎತ್ಕೊಡಿದೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ, ಎತ್ಕೊಡೋ. ಇಲ್ಲೋಡು ನನ್ನ ನೋಡೋ, ಇದು ಎತ್ಕೊಡೋ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ, ಎತ್ಕೊಡೋ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. ಬಾ ಬಾ, ಇದು ಮುಟ್ಬೇಡ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕೇಳೋ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ. ನೋಡಿ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಚಿಕ್ಕದು ಪ್ರಾನ್ಸ್. ಬಾ ಬಾಮ್ಮ. ಹಾಂ ನೋಡ ಅದು. Really fish? See here fish? Hey, come here. ಬಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಎಡಿಕ ಇದ್ರು ಅದ್ರ. ಬಾ 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 ಬಾ. ओ शू निकल गया. उठबेड़ा पुट्टी, कಚ್ಚುತ್ತೆ. ये क्या है? मापुल. हाँ हाँ, साफ किया है मापुल. हाँ ಏನಮ್ಮ? ಫಿಶ್ ಅದು, ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಫಿಶ್. ಕಮ್ ಕಮ್, ನಡೆಯೋ ಮುಂದೆ. ಕಮ್. ಪ್ರಾನ್ಸ್, ಫಿಶ್. ಕೇಳ ಅವ್ರನ್ನೇ. ऑक्टोपस देखो, ऑक्टोपस. ऑक्टोपस ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ. ಅವರೆಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಡಿದೇವ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲಿಡಿ, ಅವರೆಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಡಿದೇವ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲಿಡಿ, ಅವರೆಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡವ್ರೆ. ना नहीं चाहिए. ಇದು ನೋಡೋ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಫಿಶ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡು ನೋಡೋದು ನೋಡೋದು ಏನು ಕೇಳು ಕ್ಯಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ये ಶಾರ್ಕಿ ಮುಟ್ಟು 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 ಓಹೋ ಸಾಕು ಬಾ ಮಗಳೇ ಮುಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಾ ಮುಟ್ಟು ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಮುಟ್ತೀಯಾ ಬಿಡ 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 ಮಗಳೇ कौन सा फिश है ये क्या मापुल क्या ये रेट क्या इसका हाँ वो बाद में आप क्लीन करने के बाद मापुल मापुल बा बा मापुल फिश ನೋಡಿ ಧ್ರುವ ಮಾಪುಲ್ ಫಿಶ್ ಕೇಳು ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಹಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ ಧ್ರುವ ಬಾ ಮಾಡು ಹಾಯ್ ಮಾಡು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಂಟಿಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ದುಡ್ಡೆ ಹಾಯ್ ಮಾಡು माड़ हाय ये क्या है बैदा मासे का बैदा ओए नहीं आओ आओ ए आओ ड्राई फिश this is in high demand the whole market looks something like this very deep in inside I went deep in inside and came with my kids these are some dry fish come on and also this place they had named it as an art village so you can see a lot of art on the old walls so these are like naturally they have left it looks so nice see? This looks mesmerizing for me especially this one the roots have been shown just not covered yet हाँ मगड़े कम सी द रूट्स ನೋಡು ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಮರ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಧ್ರುವ ಮರ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಇರೋದು ಯಾವಾಗ ಭೂಮಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಆಚೆ ಇದೆ ನೋಡು ಹಾಂ ಮಗಳೇ ಬೇಬಿ ಕಮ್ ಬೇಬಿ ದೇ ಮೇಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ವೆರಿ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ these buildings Ketu is very helpful he's been very cooperative very understanding ಧ್ರುವ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ ಇರು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೈ ತೊಳಿತೀನಿ ನಿನಗೆ
ಇದು ಮಂತ್ರಾಲಯ
ಇದ್ದ ಮಂತ್ರಾಲಯ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಅ ಮಂತ್ರಾಲಯ ಬಾಂಬೆ ಮಂತ್ರಾಲಯ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಪೊಲಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಆಫೀಸ್
அது பார்லிமெண்ட் இங்க எல்லாமே ವರ್ಕ್
ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ರಾ ಹಾರ್ಸ್ ರೈಡ್ ಬಾಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಿಯಾಂಕಾ ಫೋಟೋ ಹಿಡಿ ನೀನು ಹಾಯ್ ಗುಲಿ ಹಾರ್ಸ್ ಡ್ರೈವಿಂಗ್ ಬಾಯ್ 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 ಮುಂಬೈ ಹೈಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಪೋಲಾ ಮುಂಬೈ ಹೈಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಪೋಲಾ
எல்லாமே 1878ல பண்ணாங்க
1878 constructed எவ்வளோ தூரம் இது என்ன இவங்களுது
இவங்க நம்ம போற மார்க்கெட் தான் சொன்னாங்க அது ஒரு 1 கிலோமீட்டர்
போகலாம் நோ ப்ராப்ளம் ஆராமல் போகலாம் ಅವಳು ನೋಡು ಕುಳ್ಳಿ ಅವಳ ಮಕ್ಕ ನೋಡಮ್ಮ ಹಾಯ್ ಪುಟ್ಟಿ ಬಾಯ್ ಬಂದೆ ನೋಡಿ World largest telegram center in Bombay. Every day it used to be 2 million telegram in the past, not now. So this is a telegram office. My kids have taken a horse riding, so they're busy going. Karnataka Sporting
ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇರ್ಕ ಸರ್
Associate. What daddy? Really, what? What? Ay, what? Atana putiya. Ay, boxing. Hey, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಮ್ಮ, ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡು. ಹೊಡಿ ಡ್ಯಾಡಿಗೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ನೀನು ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಗ್ಲೌಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಅಯ್ಯ ಬೇಡ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಬೇಬಿಯ. We have come to an animal and fruit mixed market where our Setu has referred us to visit. Mango. This is how the whole market is. And there's some auction vegetables are going on. Kya bech rahe? Lychee. Lychee is the best, eh? Lychee is in full demand. Huh? Lychee. We are going to animal market. This is some animal market. What we wanted to get our kids. Come, baby. Ba, magala, ilba. पर्शियन कैट चाहिए. हाँ क्या जी? पर्शियन कैट. ओह कुली. Babuti. Oh. Smallest rabbit. Just born, I think so. Small, just born rabbit. Come, Putti. We also saw tortoise. Small tortoise. Putti, what is it? Tortoise. ಧ್ರುವ ಬೇಡ ಬಾರೋ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಬಾರೋ, ಬೇಡ ಬಿಡೋ, ಕೈ ಗಲೀಜಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಬಿಡೋ, ಬಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದು ನೋಡು. ಸೀಮೆಲೆ ಪನ್ನೀರ್
5.6 kilometers.
5.6. The new road done. Way back to airport. சரியா வந்துருக்கு. This the same road nightல வந்தா நல்லா இருக்கும் இல்லையா? என்ன? Lot of lighting and all that.
இப்போ இதுல LED வைக்க போறாங்க.
See. My Putti has put a seat belt with her baby also. What did this? Why did you put this? Why did you put this? Hello, Putti. Why did you put that? Baby also. Good job.